An enforcement directorate team from Karnataka on Wednesday raided Kodiyeri, the house of Binish Kodiyeri, son of CPM State Secretary Kodiyeri Balakrishnan, at Maruthankudi in Thiruvananthapuram. The agency had arrested Binish in Bangalore on August 29 on money laundering charges. At least 6 ED officials, escorted by Karnataka Police and Central Reserve Police personnel, descended on Kodiyeri, an estimated 4,500 square feet house, at around 9:30 am. Binish had purchased the house in 2013 from a ranking police official when his father was the Home and Tourism Minister in Kerala. Kodiyeri Balakrishnan and his wife are not in this house these days, as they had shifted to the flat owned by the CPM opposite to AKG Center soon after Binish's arrest. When the investigators came to Kodiyeri for raid, they found it locked. An hour later, Binish's wife and in-laws arrived and opened the house for the ED team. Almost simultaneously, another ED team arrived at Car Palace, an expansive car accessory showroom at Keshavadasapuram, and had a closed-door talk with its owner Abdul Latif. The ED had said in a court filing in Special Court for Prevention of Money Laundering in Bangalore on Monday that Latif had been Binish's benami since 2012. It had deposed that Binish had many such benamis and created assets in their name to conceal the allegedly illegal wealth. The ED has sought the custody of Latif for interrogation. The agency said Latif had co-invested with Binish in at least 2 hotels and a foreign currency exchange business in Thiruvananthapuram. The ED also raided the office of a real estate firm, Taurus Remedies, near the government secretariat. Sources said Binish was a stakeholder of the firm. The company had recently acquired properties in Thiruvananthapuram and Kollam. The ED said UAFX Solutions, Car Palace, Capitolites, KK Rocks Quarry and their promoters were under its scanner. Binish might have got interested in quarries after Vizhinjam Port project generated a massive demand for granite locally, the ED said. 2 companies involved in organizing celebrity spotting events are also under ED radar. The ED also inspected the house of one Al-Jassam Abdul Jabbar at Nedumangada. The agency had informed the court that Binish owned several Porsche cars in the name of business person. Simultaneous raids were conducted in about 6 places associated with Binish on Wednesday. The remand report of the ED produced in the court mentioned that he collected Rs 5.17 crore through drug dealings. This is not matching with the figures given by Binish to the Income Tax Department. A new case may be filed against Binish for income tax evasion. The report of the ED stated that Binish used to consume drugs and is a regular offender with 10 cases in Kerala and 1 in Dubai. And he is also a seller of drugs. He had started 2 Benami companies in Kerala and outside. The companies are in the name of Mohammed Anup, arrested in drug case, and one Rijesh Ravindran. Meanwhile, the ED did not permit his lawyer to meet Binish initially, and they directed him to produce the COVID test result. Later, the permission was given for 15 minutes. News Desk, Kaumudy English.